Good morning, everybody. It's Kai Jacobson here, Brother Sig Guitars and Repair, and today we will be doing the pickup install on this guy, which I did the complete restoration. I did the frets, I did the pickguard, I did this, I did this, I did this, I did this, I did this. So we are going to disassemble this, and we're going to throw in these EMG quick clips, which are right here. Have all the components. Should be pretty easy. So let's get started. Oh. You know what's awesome about this bass is I got this thing and it was thrashed. It was really thrashed. And I redid the whole thing. And then 2 days later he brought it back to me with brand new pickups in it. I got my new StewMac wrenches. It's the funniest thing too, because I did the whole refurbished the whole thing, and then 2 days later he says, yeah, go ahead and put new pickups in it. I'm like, oh, okay, I mean, not a problem. I'll do whatever you want me to do. But I just did all the wiring, so. So we'll take these off. Take all these out. But essentially the EMG setup, we can put it all together and then put it in. We can put it all together and then find out if it works and then put it in. Solderless connections, man, finally. Look at how beautiful it is in there. It's all silver and chrome. I did all this. I did all of it. Yep. Even that. Okay. I also went and said screw it and bought myself a set of magnetic screwdrivers. I think every tool should be magnetic. Brass flathead screws. I put new strings. I did everything to this. I did everything to this bass. I'm like the only doctor that did surgery. Okay, so we just need to, I'm not even gonna turn the soldering iron on, we're just gonna go snip, snip. the guts. All the guts are out. I don't even know what kind of pickups these are. They don't say. I'm guessing they're Electra pickups. But we'll never know. We'll never know. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so here's the one. Here's the one. It goes quick clip there. Alright. And then this pickup, this wire gets quick clip here. So now the pickups are installed. So here's the tricky part. Here's the tricky part. let's see. I think I'm just gonna put the same bridge screws in though, because that's what it calls for. You know what I mean? Okay, so there's one. This video might be kind of long too. They might not even do it. You know what I mean? All right, so let me do this boring stuff, and I'll be back. All right, I'm back. So this guy's gonna go to the jack. White to the outside. Black to the ground. Should look like that. And this goes to the middle of the master volume. Master volume. Boom, in the middle. Oh, no. In the middle. Oh. Take it out, okay, from the pickup. Oh, okay, never mind. Alright, so this comes off. This is the master tone. So this goes here. This goes here. And then we have this guy. Right. And we have this guy. He goes on the tone. Right. And this guy goes on the volume. Okay, from the pickup. Let's do this. Let's do it in line. From the pickup. Yeah. From the pickup. Now this is the tone and the everything. Alright. Tone in the rest of it. Alright. Bam. And then I should have this for my bridge ground, right? What it says. And then there's one post open. Should be one post open. Is what it says here. So my bridge ground is here. My big thing is here. You guys are gonna enjoy this. Alright, so you're gonna put this black wire in here like so. Oh. Let me cut it some more. You put this black wire in here. Boom. Alright, and then you put the bridge ground wire in there. Boom. Alright, and then you get your little pliers here. Alright. And there you go. Alright, I'll put this puppies back on. I'll put all this back together. And then I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. It took a minute to figure out, but I did get it. And now we're gonna plug it in and pray there's no noise. Shouldn't be. Alright, here we go, everybody. We're good. Alright, you guys have a rocking day. Boom, bang, boom, bing. I'll be right back.